Crazy Chef, big vibe. Come with me while we use AI to create my first delicious recipe, right? So we're gonna use ChatGPT to create this recipe. So I got this 10-pound snapper and I've asked ChatGPT to give me a recipe to cook this fish. I also asked ChatGPT to make the recipe more on the Caribbean side, right? So this is what happened. It gave me instructions on how to cut my fish, what style to cut my fish in, and also seasonings, sauce, and preparation. It also gave me style of how I should serve the dish. Crazy Chef, big vibe. We're going into the 2025. We're going in with AI, and we're starting this series which will use AI to create dishes on YouTube. Let's get into the vibe. So the first thing we did was we washed, we scaled, and we cleaned our fish, right? And AI says that Caribbean people like to clean the fish with vinegar, salt water, and lemon. So that's what we did. Then it said we should get some seasoning. We should get some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And Caribbean people, they don't like fillets, so ChatGPT said I should cut my fish in steaks. So that's what I did. I cut the fish in steaks. The recipe also instructed me to separate the head, and then we're gonna use the head of the fish to make the sauce, and we'll use the tail also to make the sauce, and then we'll fry and bake our steaks. So that's what we did. So right now we're just getting prepared. The first part, we're doing our steaks, blah blah blah, and then we're gonna dive in our video. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like the video. If it's your first time here, give a brother a subscription, right? As I said, we're embarking on a season of AI influenced recipes. That's what we're doing, a whole series into it. If you guys like it, we'll do more based on the reaction that we get. So we've washed, cleaned, cut our fish. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna season. As I told you, for the seasoning, all purpose, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of salt. We also added black pepper, right? So we're gonna season all our steaks, including the pieces that we're gonna use for the sauce. Once we've seasoned those, we're gonna make our way over to our skillet, right? Once we season those, we'll make our way over to our skillet and we'll brown each piece, right? So we'll brown each piece, then we're gonna put them in our oven and bake it to perfection. I'm gonna put it on air fry mode. You don't have to, but I just think I want to get a nice crispy piece of fish. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on air fry mode, and then that's how I'm gonna get my fish nice and crispy. So get them nice and brown. We're gonna remove them from the pan. We're gonna put it on our baking pan, then we're gonna put it in the oven, then we're gonna work on our sauce, right? So for the sauce, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the head, the gill, the tail, we're gonna brown those up, and we're gonna use some fish nougat. That's what the recipe calls for. Remember, it's not my recipe. I've never cooked this before, right? You gotta remember, I've never cooked this dish before. This is a AI influence dish. I've never cooked this dish before. How it comes out, how it presented, and how it's served is what AI said. We're doing it exactly how I got it on my phone. Never cooked this dish before. So we're preparing our condiments. You know me: green onion, scallion, some potatoes, some bell peppers. I'm using red. Yes, we're also using a little bit of Spanish onion. Crazy Chef, big vibe. If you're still here, like the video. Some pumpkin, and we're gonna use some red potatoes, some white potatoes. It's a pretty simple recipe, right? You're also gonna need a little bit of browning. I forgot to tell you, this recipe calls for a little bit of browning. I think it's like a brown stew fish, honestly, but I think what happened is AI, they didn't say brown stew fish, but I think it's like a brown stew fish, and the way they did it, you know, the way they fried the fish, put it in the oven, make the sauce, and then pour the sauce. I think that's just the modified version of a brown stew snapper. But let's see what the recipe comes with, what it comes out to at the end. I don't want to make any abrupt decisions. We're just, going with the vibe, right? So we're gonna drain the oil, right? Because we're not gonna use all that oil. It's just crazy. So we're gonna drain that oil off of there. Then we're gonna add our condiments. It says to use fish stock. Me personally, I'm not gonna use fish stock. I'm gonna just skip the fish stock. I'm gonna use straight water, right? So we're gonna add our condiments, right? And then we're gonna add some water. Then we're gonna add a little bit of that fish noodle, and then we're gonna reduce, because you're supposed to reduce it. It gives me a long, it says you should reduce it for like 2 hours, then remove the bones, blah blah blah, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna add our condiments, then we're gonna add water, obviously, because we're not using stock, and then we're gonna let that boil. Pretty much we're just gonna let it boil them in oil. So as I said, it actually looks pretty good, to say the least. And as I said, it's giving me a brown stew type of vibe, right? It's giving me a brown stew type of vibe, and it's actually smelling pretty good. So Crazy Chef, as always, big vibe. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, give a brother a vibe, right? So just I'm trying to make it out here, so just give a brother a vibe. As I said, we're doing this AI recipe with this snapper. Never made anything. I've never made this before. I've never made this dish before. So we're just gonna test it at the end. I mean, I told AI I want to make this fish. I want it to be more on the Caribbean side, and they gave me the recipe. I followed the recipe, everything except where it says fish stock. I didn't use fish stock, I used water. And I did everything just the way the recipe said. So, should be good. Should be good. Should be very good. So, right now, it's been reduced. It's looking very good. Look at that. That looks delicious. See, that looked like you could eat that. But you gotta remember, we have the fish in the oven. So now we're gonna put it together the way they say we should put it together. Because as I told you before, we're doing everything the way ChatGPT said it, all the way to how it's supposed to be served. I think they said we should serve it with wine, but we're not gonna serve it with wine. We're just gonna create a vibe, make a vibe. It's a vibe. Smells delicious. So, Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe. Love ya.